need to open your eyes so I can see what's going on in there. That's it, sir. You got this. It's okay. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay.
I can see it. It feels weird.
Okay. Oh, careful. Easy. It's okay, sir. You got this. Just breathe in and out. That's all right. That's all right. We do many surgeries here. It's okay. Don't worry. We've got this. Okay, breathe in. Deep breath in. Open your eye. We got this. Okay. All right. It's slowly coming out.
Okay.
It's okay.
Carefully.
Right.
I can feel that.
Yeah,
I can feel it like near the eyeball itself. It feels really strange.
Yeah. It's all right.
You're with a trained professional.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna get the eyelash out. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay. I'm gonna count down and we're gonna pull. Okay.
Be careful.
It's okay.
Okay.
Just so you can brace yourself. Okay.
Okay. Give me a second.
It's okay.
There we go.
Breathe
You
in.
can see it stuck in your eye.
Right.
Yeah.
We've located the eyelash, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir, that's
We're
it.
now getting it out.
Okay. This is the extraction. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3,
Okay. Slowly.
2,
Yeah.
1. Okay. There we go. It's coming out. I can see it coming out slowly, ever so slowly. Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Slowly.
Okay. It's okay.
Oh.
So we can safely say that we have located the eyelash, and we're now going to be pulling.
My eye feels weird. Does it look red?
Slightly inflamed, sir, but it's okay. That's normal in these procedures.
Confirm your eye is extremely red.
Okay.
Almost as if you have an ingrown eyelash. In fact, I dare say, Mr. Endrick, we have located.
I believe this is the longest ingrown eyelash we've encountered before.
How does this even happen?
It's a natural human reaction.
Here we go.
Okay, we've got this.
There we go.
It's all right, sir. I'm going to pull. Are you ready?
Okay.
It's all right. I'm going to pull. You're going to feel it come out. Okay, I'm pulling gently. It's okay.
There we go. Okay, fantastic.
Right, you're doing a great job, Mr. Arshdeep. It's okay.
Look at that.
Ooh.
I can feel a lot of tension.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just going to have to just massage your eye here.
Yeah, it feels very
Okay,
bruised where you're
okay.
touching, like if just
Yep,
down
it's
that
okay.
area.
I have to do the gentle.
So how did the eyelash get in there?
I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure.
So usually what happens is when the body is going through puberty and it's producing too much hormones, there's an extra hair growth in all sorts of areas.
Wow.
Okay.
So it's okay. We're gonna pull again. Okay.
You wouldn't learn this one in school, eh, Mr. Endrick?
No. I had to watch many YouTube tutorials to develop this skill set.
I feel tension.
It's okay. Okay.
Okay. Come.
It's okay.
So I'm going to bring the camera close to your face.
Okay.
Make sure not to blink. Okay?
We need to document this so other people can learn from this.
There we go. Okay. Do not blink, sir. Okay, we're going to capture this. We are getting it out. It looks like it's coming out.
Oh.
It's almost out. It's almost out.
I need to blink. Can I blink?
Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and blink. And
there we
blink.
go.
And blink. Okay, now, so I would recommend you do not sleep with this eyelash because it can get tangled.
Okay.
It can get tangled.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay, we need to make sure that we pull it out in the correct manner.
Okay.
So as not to pull out the entire eyeball.
Okay. Oh my God! Don't say that.
It's very risky.
It's okay.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Did you see that?
I can feel that. I can feel
Wow.
it. Like
Look how long that is.
It's against
Can you see how long
my
that
eye.
is? That's incredible. This is actually a marvel of science.
Now,
Oh my
so-
God! Is that how long it is?
Just relax. It's okay. Just breathe in and relax. Relax.
Okay, now stay calm, sir.
Okay.
Okay, we have located the eyelash.
Okay.
And we are going to be pulling it out. Okay, now Mr. Endrick is a trained professional. And
Okay.
you've come to the right place.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, now how long has this eyelash been inside of your eye for?
A couple days.
A couple of days, and you did not think of coming to the surgeon any earlier?
I mean, it wasn't really that obvious straight away.
It's not obvious. I see.
It seems very obvious from where we're standing, sir, but that's okay.
But the eyelashes do grow.
You know,
As we know, an ingrown eyelash is something
serious health hazard. It's okay, sir. Just breathe. It's okay. Relax. Deep breaths.
Yeah.
Put it nice and down so we can see that.
Okay. Yep. Look at the length. Yep.
Look at that.
Wow. That's incredible.
There we go. Wow,
Okay.
look at that. Look at that, sir. I dare say this is the longest eyelash we've ever seen.
It's okay. It's okay.
There we go.
It's
There we
okay.
go. Stay calm. There we go. There
Yeah.
we go.
I think you're pulling it downwards, and it feels really strange.
Alright.
So we'd ask that you do not speak and you
okay,
do not
sir.
instruct the professional.
It's all right. I think because you're experiencing a lot of pain, I'm going to get my assistant
There we go.
Okay.
to get the syringe
There we go. Okay.
so we can administer some
Okay.
painkillers.
507-372. We need the syringe.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. And stay calm. Stay calm. We're
Okay.
pulling it.
Okay.
We're pulling it. Okay. Hold on a
Careful.
second.
Can I blink?
We're bringing in.
Can I blink first?
Bringing in the syringe. Okay.
There we
One
go.
minute.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay.
Okay.
Josh.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Stay calm and stay
It's
still.
okay.
And just pull this down nice so we can see it. Okay. Fantastic.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'm a trained professional.
This is the longest eyelash I believe I've ever seen here in the surgeon. Over 10 years. Over 10 years. Wow.
It's okay. Okay.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we need 507 373. We need some tranquilizer on top of the bruise.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, put it on. There we go.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, it's quite
easy. Easy. That's it. That's it. Now just relax. It's gonna take effect soon.
Okay.
So in the meantime, we need you to breathe in.
There we go. Okay, pull.
Okay.
We've almost got it.
Okay.
We've almost got it. So make sure not to cry.
Okay.
Do not cry.
I'm trying.
I'm sorry. I'm getting a bit nervous.
There we go. Don't worry, sir.
Okay. This is one of the longest operations I've had to
Why
do.
is your hand shaking?
That's just normal. I'm just trying to jiggle it out.
Oh.
It's not shaking. What he's doing is
It's just
a jiggle mechanism.
easing it out.
It's a jiggle mechanism, okay? And what I'm doing is, I'm actually, yes, fantastic. There we go. We've located the eyelash.
It's okay.
Now pull. It's almost out.
We've got this.
Stop. Shh. Okay, we've got to pull, sir.
We can do
Okay,
this.
we're going to get it out. There we go. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, how are you doing? There we go. Very slow.
It feels very strange near my
There we
eye.
go. Okay, very straight.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, we have located it. There we go. Let's pull it down. There we go, like that. Okay, that's it. Okay, if we pull it out just like that. There we go. Okay, keep it there. Keep it there. There we go. Okay, I'm going to come in. Okay, now how does it feel?
I can feel like a bit of tension like around the eye.
We're pulling,
Is that normal?
We're pulling right now.
We're pulling? Okay.
There we go. Okay, fantastic. Yes, we're pulling. What we're doing is we're taking out the eyelash in an orderly fashion. What's happening is the sterilizer is connecting with the bruise, and that should tranquilize your eye, meaning that it basically releases the muscles, because you have many muscles inside of your eye that may cling on to things such as eyelash. It's a natural reflex. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's helping your body relax.
There we go. Okay.
How common is this problem?
Fantastic. How common is this problem? 1 in 2 people.
Wow.
Will actually.
Oh my gosh, I can see it.
Usually the body removes it on its own.
Okay.
Some people require surgery.
Keep that pulled. Keep that tension on, sir. There we go. We need to pull.
I feel tension. Can you
Pull in.
Okay.
Pull in.
Pull
in. It's okay. It's okay. You've got
coming
this.
out. It's coming out.
Okay.
It's coming out. I think we've got it.
Okay.
I think we've got it. Just stay still, sir.
Okay, I need to blink.
Okay. Now, do you have any plans for the rest of the day?
Sleep maybe once this is out.
Cancel them.
There we go. Can we just remove that finger? There we go. It's nice and clean. There we go, sir. Okay, doctor, you're doing a good job.
Oh my gosh, I can feel it.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
There we go.
You've got this.
Fantastic. Okay, we've
Right,
got
just
it.
breathe in.
We're gonna pull.
Follow my breathing. So
It's
we're
getting
gonna breathe
longer.
in.
Okay, it's getting longer. We're gonna pull down now.
Okay.
Okay. There we
Okay.
go.
Okay, yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it. Just be very careful.
There we go. So tell me about your. Okay. The doctor's gonna pull. Tell me about your plans for the day. Okay, let my voice distract you. Let me calm you.
I mean, I just really want to go to bed and sleep. I mean,
It's okay.
I can feel it. I can feel it.
Shh. Just focus on the voice.
There we go.
You've got this. I believe in you.
Why is your hand shaking?
I'm just doing the special jiggle to get it out.
Putting it down.
Okay.
Putting it down.
Oh,
Okay, look at that. Look at how long it is. Look at how
that's
long.
incredible.
Wow, that is one of the longest ingrown eyelashes I think I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And we're gonna pull. So, doctor,
Is that a bad thing? I
we
mean,
need some more. We need some more of the syringe. Okay, we need some more.
syringe again.
We need some more tranquilizer.
Okay.
Relax, just relax.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, fantastic.
Got this. Did I tell you that I'm a trained professional?
Look. We're gonna bring it in, and we're gonna pull. We're gonna get this right out. Okay, don't you worry, sir. Don't you worry. This is coming right out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't blink. Don't blink.
Don't blink. Okay.
No, no,
Okay.
you might-
Okay.
They say the eyes are the window to the soul. I dare say we have indeed proven that today. But eyelashes are the
Frame. The
Oh my
window
gosh.
frame.
eyelashes are a bloody nightmare.
That's very close to my eye.
There we go. Okay,
Oh.
pull, there we go. There we go. Pull. Okay. So it's coming out right now.
As
It's
you can
almost out. It's almost out. We're just going to go a little bit more. We're going to pull. Okay, what we're going to do is we just want to make sure that no veins come out with your eye.
I mean, that would be ideal.
That would be ideal because it would be a real shame. You see, what some people do is they yank, and it can actually bring out the entire eyeball. Now, this won't happen in your situation, right? Because you've come to a trained professional. Mr. Endra has been doing this for over 9 years.
Okay.
Well, he actually does general practitioner, but you know he has recently.
Don't worry, sir. I've seen many YouTube tutorials. I've become an expert in this field.
There we go. Pull. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, we've got it.
Okay.
We've got it. We're applying pressure right now. Keep your eye open. Okay, fantastic. Okay, we've got it. We've got the eyelash. It's coming. It's almost out. It's almost out. There we go. If we put it right over here like that, fantastic.
It's almost out. It doesn't feel like it.
Fantastic. There we go. No, it is. Okay, we're gonna pull very carefully. Okay, look at that. Look at that. It's coming out. There
incredible.
We go. There we go. Okay, perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect. Look at that. Look at that.
It's incredible.
The longest ever ingrown eyelash, and I believe we've caught this.
Okay.
We've caught this on the camera roll.
Yeah.
On the camera roll.
Can I blink? Can I blink?
Wait, not yet. Don't blink. Whatever you do not blink right now.
I dare say, Dr. Andrew, Apple should be sponsoring us after this.
Okay, now you can blink.
Blink once. Okay, open,
Okay.
and blink twice. Okay, close.
Okay.
And open. Okay, fantastic. What that's going to do, that's going to help soothe the tension.
Okay.
Okay, and as we know, too much tension can cause problems, but not enough tension can mean that...
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Say calm now, Mr. Dr. Andrew. Okay, we're going to pull. There we go. It's great. Okay. Absolutely great. Okay, we're pulling it out right now.
It's incredible.
Okay, we can see the longest ever ingrown eyelash. I can't believe this. Well, people are commenting in. They're saying this is unbelievable.
Okay.
Well, guys, make sure to comment in where you're from. Right? Okay, make sure to comment in if any of you guys have ever experienced a problem yourself with the ingrown eyelash. There we go. Look at that.
It's okay. You've got this, sir. You've got this.
Look at that, sir.
So, do you know what's incredible?
Yeah.
Is that, you know, you've got so much hair growing from your face, but your hairline is receding, sir.
Now, Dr. Andrew.
That's right. That's how you use humor to calm down your patient. That's right. Because the endorphins released when one smiles are a great painkiller.
Mr. Dr. Andrew. Dr. Andrew was going to be a comedian. However, he couldn't quite make the cut, so he became a doctor instead. Right.
That's it.
There we go. Good. Smile now.
Oh, my eyes.
Smile now. Okay, smart laughter. Laughter is the biggest cure of them all. Okay, now.
I feel like I'm crying.
Listen, as you laugh, right? But as we can see, okay, the fact that you're no longer straining because you've calmed down, okay, actually has allowed for the eyelash to come out quite somewhat, right? Okay, I can see it's almost out. It's almost out. So out, right? So out, in fact. Okay, there we go. This is quite, I dare say, look at this eyelash.
This is incredible.
Let's keep a little bit of slack on that, just so we can really see it.
Oh my gosh, I can really feel that at the bottom. Yeah.
There we go.